Hello guys, I hope you're doing well. In this video we are going to learn how to customize the font size and increase the font text size in your Samsung Internet. Launch the Samsung Internet browser, open any web page that you want to increase the text size, tap on these three bar options, and in the column number 2, row number 3, you can see this text size, and you would be able to see this text size bar, which you can just increase or decrease according to your need. By default it is set to 100, but if you want to expand you can go to 120 or maybe 130, and if you want to reduce the size of the text then you can go below 100 up to 90 or maybe 80 as per your requirement, and press OK. Now based on your selection the size of the text will be modified. I hope this helps. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Thank you. Cheers. Have a great day.